Hey guys, how's it going? So this is the unboxing of the D6 KBDfans D65 gaskets. So they didn't include them with the keyboard, and they sent me an email that they shipped them afterwards. So I got it like a few days ago. So here we are. Also, here you go. You can see the gaskets. It's a good thing they sent me like a couple of pads. Actually, this is a lot. And when I ordered my D65, I ordered like the E white plate. I also ordered like an extra brass plate. So they just included the gaskets with it. So yeah, here we go. Oh, it's pretty nice. Alright, so thank you for watching my unboxing of the D65 gaskets and the brass plate.